Okay, so everybody's trying to figure out how to take the bulb out, replace the bulb in the back of a Baja. This outer tail light here, that's easy. You simply just take, let's see, that bolt off, comes out. Maybe some plastic like this. Pop it right there, pop it forward, pull it right directly towards you. It'll come out, you can change the bulb, okay? Reverse the process, put it back in. The one on the tailgate, a little bit different. You got this lovely panel right here, which has these Torx bolt heads on them. That's a T20. So get a T20 Torx bit right there. Goes in like this. You do all 10 of these, I believe there are. This comes off. Next, yep, Subaru put another panel there. Seems like they would have just maybe split it up, but whatever. Okay, these are Phillips, basic Phillips screwdriver. 2, 4, 6, 8. Some one of these. Use this Phillips screwdriver. Pop those out. Simply comes off. Now you can get to your bulbs. And honestly, there's like 2 bulbs in this whole thing. You got one there, got one on the other side. It's your typical 194 bulb, also known as a peanut bulb or something like that. There we go. This bulb looks like this. There's a couple LED options if you want to try to go to LED. I put some LEDs in there. Honestly, didn't look that great. Weren't that impressed by them, so I just left the normal bulb. To get it out, you just twist this, quarter of a turn, pops out. Twist it back in. And same with the other side. So pretty much that's it. So that's your Subaru Baja tail light replacement on the tailgate on your Baja. If you do want to take this unit out by chance, one quick thing, no real need to, but you got a couple screws holding it on here. See 2 there. You might have to pull these 2 here and right here also. Pop straight out. Anybody can figure out what my license plate means? You want a free nothing. You get to tell everybody how cool you are. That's what you get to do. So you can post your comments if you know what my license plate means. You already know what that means because Subaru makes the best cars in the world. Okay, second best, third best, but they're damn good. Enjoy.